Hey guys, we are at Trailside Museum and Nature Center and up in Watchung, and we're looking around the museum, and then we're gonna go on the trail outside, and then we're going to the deserted village next. So we're upstairs. Alexa, you found a book to read? What's it called? Bug Viewer. They have a nice library. I didn't realize this place was so huge. Here's Tej. Lots of stuff to look at here and learn about New Jersey. And that might be the trail back there. I'm not sure. But I want to go see what animals we can find. What do you think, Tej?
Good.
You want to go walk on the trail next?
Yes.
What did you see here that you liked? We saw some fish. Oh, okay. Let's go look at the eagle. We saw some fish and raccoons and birds, and we have lots of stuff here. And what's this? This is an eagle. Okay. TJ, what would you do if you saw this out in the woods on the trail?
I would run.
You would run?
It probably might make it me.
This place is so cool.
Might make it good to me to play.
See, if you look over there on the bottom of the tree, we went down there too. And here comes Mike. Let's see what's over here, T. We saw a huge piece of, what was it, like tree trunk? And explained to the kids about the rings, and every year the tree is getting a ring. Oh, where's that go? Back downstairs? Oh, you came up the hard way? And there's a whole bunch of stuff here. They have classrooms. What's in these cases? Oh, we saw some rocks that glow in the dark.
Let's go have them do a trivia time.
Okay. Let's look at the rocks and the owl first, and then we'll do trivia time. Oh, they have like a whole bunch of neat stuff hidden in here. There's some hawks in the tree. And there's a snowy owl, I guess. Yep, a snowy owl. Beautiful. Some more rocks of New Jersey. Okay, let's see how high we are. Oh, look at this.
We're so high.
We are up so high.
Excuse me. You know be afraid to jump down.
Okay, so I'm gonna go, and we are. I'll come back when we're on the trail. Some more interesting things to look at, and then I'm gonna save my battery for the abandoned village as well. So we're gonna check out the rest of this place and head over to the trail. See you in a few minutes.